Hey everyone, it's Matt from Matt's RV Reviews and the owner of Liquified, the best RV tank treatment in the industry. I am super excited. Spring has finally sprung and it's time to dewinterize your RV. Well, I'm super excited to announce that we've actually partnered with BluTech, the best water filter company, to come out with our bleach-free bundle. You get our Liquified tank and sensor cleaner and BluTech bleach-free liquid concentrate for sanitizing your freshwater tank. First up, you need to dewinterize your RV. And if you don't know the step-by-step instructions on dewinterizing your RV, I always recommend Ross from RV Tips and Tricks. He does the absolute best step-by-step instructional video. But essentially what you want to do when you dewinterize your RV, you want to get all the antifreeze out. So you undo the low point drain of your travel trailer, fifth wheel or motorhome, and you let the water flow out that's been sitting in your holding tank. Also, you want to hook up to water and let the water run through the RV through any type of spigot or water source. I'm talking your toilet, your bathroom sink, your bathroom shower, your kitchen sink, the outdoor shower spot, anywhere that water or the antifreeze was sitting in the lines, you want to run that water until you see the water turn from pink to clear. Next up, you need to fill up your fresh water tank with your bleach-free from BluTech. Again, this is the replacement to bleach. So if you guys aren't familiar with the old way of dewinterizing your RV, you needed to measure out a certain ratio of bleach to water to put in your 40-gallon tank. This is a single pack of 2 treatments, and this treats 2 40-gallon freshwater tanks?
Just one. Just
one. So both treatments satisfies one full 40-gallon freshwater tank. So what you need to do is you need to figure out a way of getting this into your potable water fill. A lot of motorhomes, travel trailers, and fifth wheels will have an individual potable fill right here. I don't have that. I have like a bypass valve between city water fill and tank fill. So I took the funnel to my fresh water hose, and I made sure both packs of the bleach-free went down in my hose, and then I ran that through the water, and with all that water pressure is enough for it to fill up my 40-gallon freshwater tank. Now, once you get your fresh tank fill, you only need to let it sit for about 15 minutes in your fresh water tank. That's how fast and amazing this liquid concentrate works from BluTech. Also, if you have the amazing BluTech water filter, there's going to be a way for you to put this packet in through that filter.
Okay guys, real quick, we're gonna let that BluTech freshwater sanitizer sit in the tank for a couple minutes. I wanted to walk through just exactly what's included in this limited edition bundle. So first up, obviously we have our tank and sensor cleaner, which is, we're gonna be demoing how to use this properly later in the video. Okay, you're gonna get our 32-ounce orange treatment so that you're stocked up going into the camping season for your black tank, and our gray tank treatment, which, if you guys didn't know, we have it in our pre-measure bottle finally. A lot of you were asking to have the same pre-measure bottle for gray tank, so we were able to make that happen. And then also you're getting 1 packet of bleach-free from BluTech. Now this contains 2 packets, like Matt said. The 2 packets together are good for a 40-gallon fresh tank. So you might find that with your tanks, you want to actually go and pick up another one of these from BluTech, but we're going to include 1 system in there. And so with that whole bundle, normally it comes to $90. We are doing it for $64.99, which is like a 27% savings. So really good deal, and I think it's just a really good time to stock up on all these essentials as you get your RV out of storage, get the tanks treated, and start the camping season. So let's jump back into the video, and Matt's gonna now show how we do the tank and sensor cleaner part of this.
Great, so after about 15 minutes, when you let the bleach-free sit in your fresh water tank, you're fully sanitized. Now, what I personally recommend is turning on your water pump and letting your water pump run the bleach-free water that's sitting in your potable water fill throughout your whole RV and let it all drain down to your black and gray tanks. And it's not gonna hurt any of your seals as well. That's one of the big benefits to this over traditional bleach. All right, now part 2 is for a subject that I know way too much about, and that's helping you with a stinky black tank. Before I tell you guys about that, guys, we will link Blue Technology on our website, liquifiedrv.com, and down in the YouTube description down below. Now, if I don't sound super confident when I'm talking about bleach-free and cleaning your freshwater tank, it truthfully is a collaboration between us, Liquified, and Blue Technology. And it's not that I'm not confident with the product. It's when it's new to me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not always able to communicate the proper way. I'm not as comfortable as I am I'm not as comfortable as what I am here in my office. Okay, now let's talk about cleaning your black and gray tanks. So, my RV has been sitting winterized for a while now, and believe it or not, shockingly, the tank sensors aren't working again. And it's not because I don't take care of my black tank properly. Of course I do, because I use Liquified. But what's a good idea is once a year, sometimes twice a year, it's good to get our tank and sensor cleaner, which is an ultra concentrated version of Liquified. This smells really good. This is a 16-ounce bottle, and here's how it all works. When your RV's been sitting stationary, things crust up in there. You know what I'm saying? The crustaceans, you could call it. And the sensors aren't failing you. It's the way it works is the sensors will make a false positive, and that's why your tank sensors and my tank sensors are showing full when I know I just emptied my tank and they're empty, okay? Because again, it's been sitting all winter, you know, I've had antifreeze in there, and you know, things just aren't staying moist and hydrated. Okay, so first you want to empty your tanks. So make sure you pull your tanks, empty your tanks, level out your RV, try to get as much water out of the RV as humanly possible, especially if you have antifreeze sitting in your toilet. Maybe even close it up, do a black tank flush and get it out. You want to try to get out as much everything as you can get out. Once your tank's empty, here's a little trick. Close your black tank, take a separate freshwater hose, not your drinking water hose, and then hook it up to your black tank flush, what your black tank flush is, it's a little nozzle that goes from the city water to the black tank, and it's spinning and circling the water in your black tank like this. Turn that on with your black tank valve closed and fill up your holding tank that way. Listen to me, please. I have done it in this RV myself. Set a 10-minute timer and do not do anything else until you shut that water off. Because I remember I was walking, remember where we were? We were in Ohio, and I was walking Unigirl, and I smelt something in the air, and I looked down, and I saw my camper just pouring out black water. It was a whole thing. Jen did a good job cleaning up after me. Sorry about that again. But set a 10-minute timer, fill up the holding tank, and while you're filling up the holding tank, and while the black tank flush is going, pour your bottle of Liquified tank and sensor cleaner, which is again an ultra concentrate. When you pour that in, you don't need the black tank flush, but the black tank flush is going to get this thing moving. It's going to get it shaking, and it's going to get it working. You fill up your holding tank for as much as you can, then you shut that water off. Little fun fact, stand on the toilet pedestal and then watch so you can see the water go all the way up to the top. Once you do that, let this sit for at least 12 hours. We recommend 24 to 48 hours. If you can let that happen, obviously, if not 12 hours, the ultra concentrate of enzymes and bacteria is going to do an amazing job breaking it down. Also, just so you know, you can use the Liquified tank and sensor cleaner in your gray tanks as well. You do the same exact thing, except you don't have a gray tank flush. So what you do is you fill up your gray tank by your sink and shower, and you pour a whole bottle into that gray tank as well. Then, when it comes time to dump, you dump both your black tank and your gray tank from the dump station. Here's a little fun fact. Always dump your black tank first, then dump your gray tank. Even though your tanks are clean, and even though you're using tank and sensor cleaner, and you didn't use the bathroom, and you filled it up with water, trust me, the black tank's always dirtier than the gray tank. So pull the black tank lever and let it all run out until you see nothing left. Then pull your gray tank, and the gray tank water is going to help clean your hose and clear through any of the black water that got stuck in your sewer hose. All right, so I stepped on Jen's toe and she got real mad at me, but Jen, look at this. You see how we're at 1/3? So it was at 2/3 and then it just faded away. So the tank's currently dumping right now. So watch this. I mean, so we're still 1/3 full. So I'm just gonna keep my finger on this and then we're gonna play the waiting game. And guys, listen, we're showing you this real time live. When I yell at you, Jen, you gotta come back over. But again, the bundle is live on the website, liquifiedrv.com. Right now, do the tank cleaning bundle. Doesn't matter if you've ever used Liquified or not. Clean your tanks the proper way. Spring season's coming to a start, and then it's the best way to clean your fresh tank and your black tank as well. And gray tank. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there it is. Come on, hey, oh, come on, let's go. Hey, 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 we got empty tanks. Let me tell you guys something. If
I've never seen such a
if anybody
drawn out celebration.
If anybody knows a thing or two about a stinky black tank, it's me. Listen, I have now you guys might be wondering, well, hey Matt, why is your sensors not working? Because you use Liquified, it should be cleaning your sensors. Guys, the answer is yes. Liquified's the best toilet treatment out there, but me being a business owner, an RV influencer, I have been destroying my holding tank to make this video. All winter, guys, I did not dump all winter long. I was filling this bad boy up, trying to let it stick and get stuck.
Making crustaceans.
Making crustaceans to demonstrate this video, and I'm so glad it worked. And that was the most satisfying thing. So again, guys, I don't know how many times I heard you. Go to our website, liquifiedrv.com. We are so proud to partner with Blue Technologies on this tank revival video. Jumping into spring, dewinterizing with the bleach-free bundle. Guys, listen, we don't have a dog in the fight with the bleach-free or with Blue Technology. We decided to do this bundle because we know we make the best toilet tank treatment in the industry, and they make the best water filtration system and bleach-free product to sanitize your freshwater tank. So, you know what that sounds like, Jen? That sounds like McDonald's and Coca-Cola. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? McDonald's always has the best Coke.
It sounds like Iron Man and Captain America.
So click the link down below, go to our website, and if you don't need any more Liquified, truthfully, just go to Blue Technologies website. We'll link it down below and just grab the bleach-free treatment. Guys, we are doing so much more with our business of Liquified and now LiquiShine than just selling a product. It is our job to educate you guys. And quite frankly, if that means I need to destroy my RV a few times to show you guys amazing videos, we're willing to do that. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you next time.